What's going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. Saturday afternoon I got out and had to run some errands. I really didn't have a lot of time to do extra stuff, but as I was passing Goodwill I thought, why don't I run in 15 minutes real quick? Maybe I can make a little video about it if I find some cool stuff. I found some pretty good stuff. You'll see here in a second. I took a chance on a few things, but really overall I think I did pretty good. All right, so the Electro Home DVD VCR combo, I think I'm gonna get somewhere between $70 and $90 for that. There's actually none sold on eBay. I found 4 listed that are similar, not even the exact same one. I'll probably list mine on eBay for like $75, $80, and then probably $90 on Etsy. And I wouldn't be surprised if it sells on Etsy. So even though there are no sold comps for this, I didn't even look it up in store. Whenever I see combo units, I just pick them up if they're a fair price. And I'm not too worried about it. I'm pretty sure this one will sell. If you guys see them out, you know, it's always better if you can find sold comps for things that are, you know, better brands, but I don't know. I always have good luck with these things, so I don't think it's a bad pickup. What do you guys think? Next up, I normally don't find a lot in the bag section in that particular Goodwill, but this time for $3.50, we found some pretty good stuff. The little iPad controller, I think it's for like iPad 2 or something like that. It's an older one, but it basically turns your iPad into a gaming console with a little controller. I'll throw a comp up for that. I think they're going for like 20 bucks right now. They're not crazy money, but it's for an older unit. Next, also old, the fishing reel for the I think it's for the original PlayStation, maybe PlayStation 2. I'll have to look up exactly what console it's for, but it still sells for about 35 bucks. And I think that one will sell pretty quickly as well. And what was the last thing? I think it was an Xbox. Was it Xbox or Xbox One controller? I'm not sure personally if that's the corded one or not. I'll have to research it a little bit more, but I'll throw up the correct comp now. I still think it should be worth around $20. So I took a little bit of a chance on the Buffalo Bills hat. This is the cancer awareness one with the pink. Pretty cool though. I seen a similar one to this, but I think it was Dallas Cowboys that sold recently for I think $24 or best offer. I seen another one that was similar to this one that was the Bills that sold for I think about 30 bucks. So I'll probably get like 25, 30 bucks for this guy. Most likely for me will sell on Poshmark, but hard to say. Still I think it's worth a $2.29 investment. Now, if you wonder, hey, why did you pick this thing up? There's basically no value in it. $1.29, super cheap. Well, I don't know. We have a bunch of these. My wife likes them. I'm not really sure. We don't really use them that much, but they are on our fridge, so I figured we could use another one. Let's continue. Now, I think these shoes are absolutely fake. I've only ever found one pair and they were at the Goodwill bins. I had a couple people there with me who kind of told me or reassured me that they thought they were real. These ones, the stitching was weird. Everything about it was strange. And then when I picked up the insole, it was like a piece of tape on the, like two-sided tape holding it down. And even where it was printed on the actual insole, it looked like it was printed over top of something else. You know, these shoes can be worth a ton of money. I'll throw up a comp of a good one right now. I did a Google lens of these as well. Couldn't even find that exact reproduction or fake or whatever that is. You know, I really hope they're not real. I'd feel pretty foolish, but I'm 99% sure that those are not real. So, you know, if you do see them out there, definitely look them up, Google lens them, do as much research as you can. I'm pretty confident those ones are not real. So this just seems like a higher quality bag. I've never heard of it. It's Khyber outerwear. I think that's how it's pronounced. It says handmade in a small village in the heart of the Himalayas. It's really cool. I can't find a comp of this exact one, but I do see some handmade ones that look like this on Etsy that sold for around 50 bucks. So I will list it on eBay, Etsy, across all platforms. I'll probably list it for about 40 bucks. It is new with tags. Like I said, I don't know much about this brand. There's a little bit out there when you're looking. I just thought it was very unique. Nice little bag, cool colors. I thought I'd take a chance on it for, you know, what did I pay? $4 and change. So the last thing I picked up was this Tennessee University crew neck. It is on the older jersey tag there. I don't see an actual comp for this guy either, in this exact one anyway, but I do think it'll sell for $35 or $45, most likely on Poshmark or potentially Depop. That would be my guess. Depop seems to love items like this, like the college and university type crew neck, especially when they're vintage. I'm not exactly sure what year this is from. I'm going to try to do a little bit more research, but I still think I'll get pretty decent money. I paid, you know, $9 for this thing roughly, and I think it will sell pretty quickly for around the $35, $40 mark. So we spent about $30.44 on all this stuff that we bought today. You know, I'm gonna value it based off of sold comps on eBay. I could take best offers. There could be all kinds of things that happen, but I'm gonna still value it at around $265. That's not too bad. So then we have to remove cost of goods. We have to remove eBay fees. We're just gonna use eBay as sort of a base because the fees are easier to break down. You know, there are different fees on different platforms, or you could sell things for cash, but we're just gonna use eBay as a baseline here. So if we remove fees, cost of goods, we say the shipping is a wash. So basically whatever I charge for shipping is what the buyer pays shipping, because for me, buyer always pays shipping. So that still leaves us with $191.98. So that's like a $630 return on your investment. That's not too bad. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. Until next time, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.